Hey everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick flip through of another zine that I made. This one is not made with a DigiKit. It's made with scrapbook paper and other scrappy type things. So this is for my friend Catherine. It was her birthday this week, and so I am just doing a quick show and tell before I ship this off to her. So I found these really sweet little charms and thought that was appropriate. And so let me just undo this here. And here we go. So this is one sheet of scrapbook paper that I folded, and I'll have a link to a tutorial down below where you can fold the one sheet of paper and cut it into making a little mini journal like this. So this was from a silk flower Hawaiian lei that I had gotten at the Goodwill Outlet Center, and then I just did a sort of little collage-y bit on here with some lace, and then here's the back, and then here's the side with a little charm there, and we go into the front, and I wrote her a little card, and here's the first page and pocket, and here is a card that I did. And a little paper clip with fluffy bits, and these the ephemera is all from the paper pack, and I'll see if I can find, I think it was DSW, not DSW, that's a shoe store, but I'll if I can find the paper pack. It's old, so I'll link it down below. So that goes in there. I put some pink paper, added just some pink paper. Did I do anything in the middle? I should do something in the middle, shouldn't I? Okay, so here's the next pocket and more tags. Anything else in there? No. Oh, this is what I put in the middle. There we go, but it's in kind of in the back. All right, so there's that. Again, from the paper pack, and then here's a card. This is a secret pocket kind of thing, and some paper in here, and it's just blank. And then there's the back. And then I was thinking it would be less awkward to be able to see what I'm doing here, but it's kind of an awkward angle, so I don't know if I'll keep with this. But anyway, there's a little tag, and there's another tag, and that's the back, and that's it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!